guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now this video is sponsored by Luvme Hair, and they sent me this deep curly wig. It is, I think it is 5x5 because it is a little bit wider than a regular 4x4. I think it is 5x5, but they sent me this beautiful curly closure wig and I love it. Like, do you guys see these curls? Do you guys see these curls? Like, who you know? Who you know? I feel like these curls are absolutely gorgeous. I love it. But before we speak more on the wig, let me just show you guys what they sent to me inside the package. So obviously they sent me the wig. They sent me some stocking cap, which I did use one. I didn't even do my ball cap method and this wig was still laid, period. They sent me this little pouch with some scarf and a mirror, which I've gotten in my previous boxes as well. This came in the wig, but I took it off because I don't really need to use it. But if you want to have a glueless wig, then this is here to make it glueless. Yeah, I think that's it. And also they sent me this bag to put my wig in when I'm done wearing it. So this wig, so this is a 5x5 HD closure wig. It is curly, as you can see. I did go ahead and define the curls. I loved it in its natural state as well, but I wanted to define it a little bit more, and that's what I did. And I feel like it's so gorgeous. Like, literally, like, who you know? But yeah, this is the result. This is what I ended up with, and if you guys want to see how I got this, then definitely keep on watching.
Hey, word on the street, I'm a suspect. Hanging with the killers in the projects. Taylor want a barrel, keep quiet. Catch a nigga slipping from behind. OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson. Put a nigga out like an outbreak. Chopper start to make the house shake. Nigga sweeter than a pound cake. Eyes on your chin, better watch what your mouth say. With the footballs, got a nigga tripping. Fuck it, nigga keep sipping. AK with the beam on it. Clip sold on like a lean on it. My nigga like behind ball. Move 100 pounds for a lawyer, beat the charge. Tap down when they play watch a fuck. If a nigga try to rob, fucking hit him with no. Word on the street, I'm a suspect. Hanging with the killers in the projects. They don't want a barrel, keep quiet. Catch a nigga slipping from behind. OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson. 100 bands on your head, get the job done. Throw it up, nigga, where you from? Whole hood hot, cause your nigga hitting licks. Ain't made a meal yet, but he still nigga rich. Stick on my, stick on my, stick on. How you want it, nigga? Full of the semi. Looking for the cash, searching for the bag. Young nigga wildin', throwing up flag. Shooters on the roof with a scope. Money make gon' treat you like the Pope. Work the bunch like the Kimmy in the post. Nigga hit it with the folk. Word on the street, I'm a suspect. Hanging with the killers in the projects. They don't want a barrel, keep quiet. Catch a nigga slipping from behind. OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson. That's the niggas that you trust, tell them how they turn fade. Hey, you know your boy cause you rockin' Birdman. Especially if your money long, guarantee a turn in. Ray until it long, gotta watch the shirt in. Hey, jealousy, that's a bitch nigga trait. These niggas snakes, gotta know what you make. Grimy ass hoe, do your little wrist take.
Come with a classic, they come around years later and say it's a sleeper. The ears are real, the petty is real. Watch your wife for a feature. Deposit the money to Brenda Letitia or Linda Felicia. She gave me 25 million for her voice, you know I'm a pleaser. 42 millimeter, was made in Geneva. Yeah, I probably should go to Yeshiva. We went to Ibiza. Yeah, I probably should go live with Yeezy. I need me some Jesus. As soon as I started to touch my hands, he wouldn't believe the sins. I got sins on my mind and some M's. Got a lot of M's on my mind and my friends. Gotta keep my friends on my mind. I'm in love with 2 guys on my tongue and they 10s. That's why I got 10 on my mind. I got M's. Got a lot of M's on my mind and my friends.
Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the guala in my shorty bag. You know she one of mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. This that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. This that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you not enough, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I D.I.E. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I D.I.E. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Feel my face, sending action. These days no kumbaya, niggas be past tense. Living in the middle, this shit might drive you mad. Ain't it pretty mixed up, but this life shit ain't all bad. Bloody, bloody murder, there ain't no second chances. Just do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. And I'm stutter till I D.I.E. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. And I'm stutter till I D.I.E.
So this is the end. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you guys want to purchase this wig, then the link will be down in the description box. But for now, this is the end. Thank you guys, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next one.